Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Uber driver account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. First of all, access your Uber driver app. All right, and this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right? Simply go ahead, tap on this continue option, and then you're gonna go ahead, get signed in first, and then afterwards this kind of interface is gonna pop up, right, for you to enter all of your information for you to get yourself back. So if you're already here in this section and you have got yourself logged in, after that you're going to find this option, a three line menu icon on top. You're going to go ahead, tap on it, and then tap on this help option, and then zip, and then that will show you this option called account and payment option. Go ahead, tap on it. You're going to go ahead, tap on this option called account and payment, and then it will let you have this option called changing account settings. Go ahead, tap on it. Now afterwards you're going to find this option called I want to delete my account, that will be given within that menu options. You're going to go ahead, tap on it. Now it will ask you for you to submit a reason. You're going to submit it, and then you will be able to reconfirm it, and you will be able to submit a request regarding your deletion, and your account will be deleted. So that is the process. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.